In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Taptap Send. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll have your account set up and ready to use. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes and make the process smoother. First, grab your phone and open your App Store. If you're on an Android device, that will be the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type Taptap Send as one word, and look for the official app. It should clearly show the Taptap Send name and logo, and it should have good reviews and a high number of downloads. Once you've found the correct app, tap Install or Get, and wait for it to finish downloading. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. You'll usually see a short welcome screen explaining what the app does. Take a moment to read this if you're new. Then tap the button to continue or get started. Next, you'll be asked to create an account. Most of the time, you'll register using your mobile number or an email address. Choose the option that works best for you. Enter your details carefully, making sure your phone number or email is correct, because the app will send you a verification code. When the code arrives, type it into the app to confirm it's really you. After verification, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. This can include your full legal name, your date of birth, and your home address. Enter this information exactly as it appears on your official documents, because Taptap Send is a financial service and needs accurate details to keep your account secure and compliant with regulations. Depending on your country, the app may then ask you to verify your identity. This can involve taking a clear photo of a valid ID, such as a passport or national ID card, and possibly a quick selfie so the system can match your face to your document. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure your ID is well lit, and avoid glare or blur so it can be approved quickly. Once your profile and identity checks are submitted, you might need to wait a short time for approval. When that's done, open the app again and you should see your main dashboard. At this point, your Taptap Send registration is complete, and you're ready to start exploring the features and sending money securely.